Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 8th episode to create a photography website using Flexbox. In the previous episode, we created a title block and added some content on the About page. And today, we will work on our themes section. So first, open your text editor and open about.html and main.css. Just after this content block, let's add the comment called themes block. Then add a div with a class called block. Let's also add another class called themes block. Inside, let's add div with a class called container. And for title, let's add s2 tag and you can write our themes. Once done, you can check your site and your title is ready. Now, let's work on this 3-column layout. So we can use the same class name as we did for our home page, like for gallery and latest post. So in your about.html, let's add div with a class called row and div class call. For image, we will add another div with a class called image. Then add img tag and our image is under images folder. And my image is theme1.jpg. Add theme1 in alt. Then add another div with a class called content. For the name, add s3 tag. You can then copy the name from the site. And for the designation, you can simply add the span tag and copy from the site. Now, copy this call div 2 more times. And then you can simply change the image and content. Once done, you can check the site and our HTML is now complete. Now let's work on the CSS, and the first thing we will do is to add margin bottom in this image. So in the main.css at the very bottom, add the comment called our themes. Then in the image class name, add the margin bottom of 20 px. Refresh the site. And now let's add text align center for this content and add some font size and font weight for this title. So in this content class name, add text align center, and in S3 you can increase the font size to 20 px and add font weight of 600. Once done, you can check the site, and if you compare it to our design, it is looking exactly the same. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will work on the contact page. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link in the description below. Thank you and see you soon.